Hello YouTube friends. Today I have I guess you can call it an unboxing, but it's unpackaging. It's a CPU that I ordered a couple of weeks ago from eBay, and I got it and it's just been sitting right there waiting for the motherboard. I finally have the motherboard here, and which I'll be putting up a video for an unboxing if it's not up there already. And this CPU is a E5 2600 series that'll be going into this motherboard. It is the E5 2699, and I believe that's the last CPU of the series. And so here we go. Let's see what's in here. It's the place I got it from. Wasno. It's a place in Texas. And, okay. Here we go. I don't know if we'll be able to see that. I don't think I can see it. Yep, it's a E5 2699 V4. It also has another code in there, which is SR2JS. And it's a 2.20 gigahertz CPU. Intel Xeon. Okay. Yeah, these are used CPUs from around the 2015, 2016 era. I'm not that old, but still pretty old. Well, I'll be installing this onto this motherboard sometime soon, I hope. And I'll be making a video of that, I hope. And we'll see how that goes. Great, guys. Thanks for watching this video. And if you're able to, give a like and subscribe. Thanks.